Okay, today I'm going to give it a short demonstration of how to use the satellite filter in GPS test. Click on the legend here to bring up the satellite filter, or alternatively you can select it from the main menu. So select satellite filter. By default they're all switched on so you can see everything. So if I turn off everything except GPS and press save, you can now see on here that only the GPS satellites are shown, and they're the ones with the circle. The white squares underneath the circles show which satellites are being used. The ones that are blue with the white outline are the ones that are actually in view but not being used. Now if I go back in satellite filter and select GLONASS. These are shown with a triangle, and you can see that 3 of those are in use and the others are in view. So I've got Galileo again, which will show up as a pentagon. So none of those are being used. So the chipset decides which satellites to use, so you can't actually control that. So this filter only filters the display, it doesn't filter which satellites the actual chips are using. So BeiDou, again there's one being used at the moment. QZSS, but there's none in range, and I don't think the chipset on this BQ5 will actually use those satellites. So SBAS, they're a special form of satellite that actually enhances the fix for all the other satellites. So you may see some of those in your area. So I've got 4 at the moment. And then unknown, I've got 2 satellites that it doesn't know about. So this is any satellite, it can't actually determine what they are. So if I turn everything back on and save it, we get the full range of satellites shown here. And you can scroll this window to actually view them. Okay, that's it for